And that's mine.
Yeah.
I get candy.
He's got more than you. Don't you, Chase?
Where's that?
Chase!
Where's that?
Where?
Over there.
That's Travis.
That's
Did
Travis getting my candy.
Travis gave you your candy?
Yeah.
And who gave Chase his candy? Who gave Chase his candy?
She got
His mommy. Count them. 1, 2. Well, he just shoved them right all in because, you know. Yeah. He's like, yeah, I got them all now. You don't get any. He wasn't taking any chances of sharing. He did. Like a chipmunk. You gonna eat that? Now wait until you eat that one.